In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove Beehiiv branding from your publication in just a few simple steps. If you're building a newsletter and want a cleaner, more professional look, this is one of the easiest settings you can change inside Beehiiv. Removing the branding helps your publication feel more custom, more on-brand, and less tied to the default Beehiiv experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account using the email and password associated with your publication. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct publication if you manage more than one. That way, you'll be changing the branding settings for the right newsletter. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the important configuration options for your publication, including general details, branding, monetization, and access settings. Once you're in Settings, open General Info. This section contains the core information and display options for your publication, so it's the right place to make branding-related changes. Now scroll down until you reach the Content Access section. This is where you'll find the setting related to private publication and branding visibility. Take your time here and look carefully, because this is the area where Beehiiv allows you to control how your publication appears to readers. When you find private publication, look for the private branding option. Turn private branding on. In Beehiiv, this setting is what removes the platform branding and gives your publication a more polished, customized appearance. Once you switch it on, you don't need to click a separate save button because the change saves automatically. That means as soon as you enable the settings, Beehiiv applies the update right away. So after you turn private branding on, you can simply go back and preview your publication or check your subscriber-facing pages to make sure everything looks the way you want it to, and that's it. You've now removed Beehiiv branding in just a few clicks. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your newsletter feels to readers. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.